Let's see what temperature we are. Depending where you are, I think 70 something. Okay, I'm happy enough for that. Actually, first of all, let's start the GPS before we forget. So, first run, we go to track. Hang on. Although, like, you can see that it's on that car. Start. And then we will start that recording. Sunlight's starting to drop. Okay, that should be us. And we'll just take our time, get the car up there, everything started. So it is. I'm gonna walk up with it a wee bit, make sure it's going straight, make sure I have the car sitting where I want it to be sitting. Car's going straight anyway. Let's see where that goes. Okay. I'm happy enough for that there. So I'll turn it back up. It's gonna be really hard to see. Here's Rollberry. Nearly took off on its own there. I can't see. Okay, there's a bit of a delay on that for some reason. I wonder if there's some sort of interference up there. We'll keep that there. Hopefully we get a nice run. I'm trying to think what would be interfering with it up there. Would it be the tyres? Like, that's not very far at all. Get rid of that. And that. I might try the lights on it the next time. Right. Let's hope the moisture there doesn't affect it. And then let us do this. Okay, so we are 8S and it's 1721 with an FC 100 body on it, and they're 8000 milliamp Onyx batteries. Let's get it going here. Hopefully we can see it. Okay, so it's shut down. We'll bring it down. We'll try again. Hopefully it doesn't shut down this time. I'll just come in a bit later this time with it. I think that's us. Okay, let's try that again. Hopefully it doesn't shut down this time. 3, 2, 1. Right. I'm not going to charge them up yet. I'm going to send it back up. There's more than enough life in those. Let's bring it up here and turn it down. Yeah, thought so. It's shut down, and I haven't even got the tape on it. So I haven't. motor is warm. ESC's on too. What did I bring? What did I bring? What did I bring? Oh, it's too warm. Right. Tell you what, we'll stop that. Stop, read 133. So we'll go again and we'll try adjusting it so it doesn't shut down. I need to keep that over here actually.